Welcome back. This is the basic skills you must master before you start Algebra 1. Today's topic is order of operations. Let's look at our rules. Please take notes. First, grouping symbols. In this example, we have a grouping symbol, open, close parentheses. Next, simplify numbers with exponents. We do have one that says 10 to the third power. And then we're going to multiply or divide from left to right. See, we have multiplication here, we have division here, from left to right. And the last one, we need to do addition, subtraction. Okay, let's faithfully follow this rule. First, we're going to take care of the things happen in our grouping symbol. It says 49 divided by 7. What do you have? Did you have 7? All right, we're going to copy down the rest. Diligently copy it down. Okay, we've done this one. Step 2, we're going to simplify numbers with exponents. We have 10 to the third power. 10 to the third power, what do you have? Good. A super simple way, faster way to take care of this is you look at how many powers it has, then after 1, how many zeros you have. That's a faster way to understand that. But what is the knowledge behind it? 10 to the third power is you are using 10 as your factor. 10 gonna times itself how many times? Gonna times itself 3 times because it says 10 to the third power. Therefore, 1 times, 2 times, 3 times. Okay, so we show you what is a faster way to do it and what is the knowledge behind it. Let's continue to do this. We're gonna copy it down. We took care of the exponents. Next one, we're gonna multiply or divide. Whichever you say first, but your order is from left to right. All right, let's look at this. What is 3 times 7? 3 times 7, that's 21. And then we say, oh, excuse me, I forgot to copy down this. Okay, that's a negative example. Make sure you look carefully. I'll copy down everything clearly. I just forgot, I put it here. All right, so 7 times 3, that's 21 minus 4 divided by 2, that's 2. Plus 1,000. All right, we took care of this. Last step, now we're going to do addition, subtraction. Remember, it's still from left to right. Let's take care of 21 minus 2. Do you have 19? And copy down the rest. Now, I run a space. I'm going to put my final solution in this long bubble. Change the color. That's 1,019. All right, that's how we do order of operation. We're going to have a little bit more practice. Let's look at our next example. I'm thinking, how about we do something really simple? Earlier we talked about 10 to the third power. Let's do 10 to the fifth power. How about this? Okay, remember 10 to the fifth power is 10. This is a base. This is an exponent. It tells you you're going to use 10 as a factors. 10 going to times itself. Total how many times? That's right. Did you see 5? All right. So that's the knowledge behind it. Super fast way is you see 5. You're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros here. And 0.4 times this. How do we do this? 0.4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready? We're going to move to the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the space, you're going to fill in the 0. Okay? I'm going to erase the one in the front. And you can put your 1, 2, 3. Put a comma here. And here's a smudge. I'm going to erase it. Okay. All right. It did go away. All right, let's see what else we have. Let's do this one. I'm thinking. All right. How about I'm just making up a question for you right now, okay? So a little bit slow, but that's okay. I'm thinking, how about this? Let's just play with 10. Alright, okay. Remember, grouping symbol first. Do we have a grouping symbol? Yes? Okay. Get some color here. You have a grouping symbol, so grouping symbol first. Alright? What is 40 divided by 4? You have a 10. And copy down the rest. Not in a hurry. I know you can figure out very soon, very quickly, but we're just gonna do our baby step, okay? Copy down. Down. Next step, simplify numbers with exponents. Oh, here's the exponent, right? We're going to take care of that. What is 10 to the second power? That's right. And we're going to look at here, take care of this. Now, third step, we're going to multiply or divide from left to right. We're going to copy down the rest. Copy it down, not in a hurry, not in a hurry. Copy it down. Okay, left to right. You see 10 times 3, that gives you what? 30, right? And you see 9 divided by 3, that's 3. And copy down this, and all your symbols, minus and plus. Okay, last one. Add, subtract from left to right. 30 minus 3, 27 plus 100. And our final solution is... Alright, okay, enjoy today's basic skill. Before you start Algebra 1, you really need to get this down. Order of operation. Happy learning.